Dear students, I am Ranjitha from KPS Hiredka. Today we learn about straight lines. Few synopsis part is there. The coordinate is called, x coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called ordinate. You know that already. Any point P of x comma y can be written like r cos theta and r sin theta if you are writing in the polar form. The distance of the point P of x comma y from the origin is root of x square plus y square. The distance between any 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is under root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This point, this is not there in the textbook actually. You can note it down. The distance between any 2 points on x-axis is modulus of x2 minus x1. Similarly, distance between any 2 points on y-axis is modulus of y2 minus y1. Next, the image of the point x comma y about x-axis is x comma minus y. You can observe this point. If you are calculating image about x-axis, then you have to change the sign of y coordinate. Similarly, image of the point a of x comma y about y-axis is minus x comma y. Image of the point a of x comma y about the origin is, you have to change the sign of both the coordinates, that is minus x and minus y. Next, the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining the points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Here ratio is given m is to n, and this formula is familiar actually. mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the formula for internal division. Then if you change the plus sign with minus, we'll get the formula to get the coordinates for the external division. Next point, the ratio in which the line joining the points a of x1 y1 and b of x2 y2 is divided by the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by ax2 plus by2 plus c. Similarly, the ratio in which the line joining the points a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 is cut by x-axis. The formula is y1 by minus y2 or minus y1 by y2. Similarly, cut by y-axis, that is minus x1 by x2. You can use these formulas directly. The midpoint of the line joining the points, this is easy actually. Add x coordinate divide by 2, that is x1 plus x2 divide by 2, y1 plus y2 divide by 2. Next concept is on centroid. So if a of x1 y1 and b of x2 comma y2 and c of x3 comma y3 are the three vertices of the triangle, then centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Next one. Here a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2 and c of x3 comma y3 are the three vertices of the triangle. Then area of the triangle is half into, see this is determinant value, half into, we know the coordinates actually, so write it in the determinant form, half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay. Suppose if this determinant value is equal to 0, then the points are collinear. This formula can be rewritten like this, half into x1 minus x3, it is also determinant. Determinant x1 minus x3, x2 minus x3. Second row, y1 minus y3, y2 minus y3. This is for the triangle. Suppose it is quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral with 4 vertices given is half into determinant value x1 minus x3. Second point in the first row, that is x2 minus x4. Then in the second row, y1 minus y3, y2 minus y4. Now, if the area is 0, the points are collinear, mentioned already. If you consider straight line concept, equation of x-axis, that is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, that is x equal to 0. Next, if theta is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis, then tan theta is considered to be the slope of the line. And slope of x-axis is 0 and slope of y-axis is considered to be infinity. When the two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes are equal. When the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then product of the slopes, that is m1, m2 equal to minus 1. Now, when 2 points are given, x1, y1 and x2, y2, then slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. When 3 points are given, the 3 points A, B, C are said to be collinear. If you are using slope concept, then slope of AB, slope of BC and slope of AC, all the 3 must be equal. Any line through the origin with the slope m is equal to y is equal to mx. Now consider a line with slope m and y-intercept c is y is equal to mx plus c. Then equation of the line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Another one, slope point form. When slope m is known and point x1, y1 is known, the equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of the line in parametric form is x minus x1 divided by cos theta equal to y minus y1 divided by sin theta equal to r. Equation of the line in the normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Equation of the line in the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now, if you have a general form of the straight line, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then any line parallel to this is ax plus by plus k equal to 0, and to calculate the k value, passing through point will be given. Next one, any line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Here also we have to calculate the constant k using the passing through point. Now, when two slopes of the lines are known, that is m1 and m2, then angle between them at the point of intersection is tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Next, distance between given two parallel lines is mod of c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square. Next one, the length of the perpendicular from x1, y1 means from the given point to the line actually, that is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Now we'll consider the questions. First question, the image of the point 2, 3 in x and y respectively. As you know already, Image on x-axis means you have to change the sign of y coordinate. So that will be 2 minus 3. That will be 2 minus 3. Now, consider image of the point on y means you have to change the sign of x coordinate, that is minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. So if you check with the options, 2 minus 3 and minus 2, 3. Option C holds good. Second question. The distance of 3, minus 7 from x-axis is. Distance of any point from x-axis is its y-coordinate value, that is modulus of y-coordinate value. Now it is 7. Third question. The points 1, 5, minus 7, 9 and minus 10, minus 17 form, see, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and straight line it is given. We'll check. So before judge with the answer, you have to form the length of the sides actually. Get length AB, length BC, length AC. Mark all the points, that is A, then B and C. So use distance formula and get AB, that is equal to, I'll consider AB square only, no need to take the root. So AB square is equal to minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 the square 64 plus 9 minus 5 4 the square 16. So we'll get 80. Similarly, consider BC, minus 10 plus 7, 3 the square 9 plus minus 17 minus 9, minus 26. Minus 26 the square, 676. So sum is 685. And finally, we'll get AC square. Minus 10 minus 1, 11 the square, 121 plus minus 17 minus 5, minus 17 minus 5, 22, 22 the square, 484. So altogether we'll get 605. Okay. Now we have AB square with us, BC square is there and AC square is there. If we compare the lengths, 80, 685 and 605. So if we add these two, 80 and 605, we'll get the total 685. That means here BC square is equal to what? AB square plus AC square. So conclusion is the given triangle is a right angle triangle. Given triangle is a right angle triangle. Next question. ABCD is a square. If A is 0 minus 1, C is 0, 3, then the area of the square is, say, A, B, C and D. Here A is given, that is 0 minus 1 and C is given, that is 0, 3. 0, 3. Okay, this is diagonal as it is a square. Length of the diagonal is, we know the formula, that is a root 2. So each side will be a. Question is area of the square. So we need to know the value of a, and it should be a square now. This should be the answer. So we have to calculate a value. So use distance formula. A root 2 is equal to 0 plus 3 plus 1, 4 the square, 16 actually. Root of this, that will be a root 2. So 4 is. So get the value of a and square it, we'll get the area of the square. So here a square is equal to 4 equal to a root 2. So this is 16. A square into 2. So a square is equal to 8 will get. So that is area actually. If you check with the option B holds good. Next one. ABC is a triangle where A is equal to 0, 2, B is equal to 4, 0. If 4, 4 is midpoint of AC, then midpoint of BC is to be calculated. So if you plot the points, A is 0, 2, B is 4, 0. A is 0, 2, B is 4, 0. Then 4, 4 is the midpoint of AC. This is A, this is B. 4, 4, that is this point. That is midpoint of AC. So calculate C value. Question is midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. For that we need coordinates of C, right? So I'll mark this as x, y now. Use midpoint formula. See, 0 plus x divided by 2, that is 4. Means x by 2 equal to 4. So x equal to 8. 2 plus y divided by 2, that is 4. 2 plus y divided by 2, that is 4. So 2 plus y is equal to 2 plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 6. So the coordinates of C, that is 8, 6. Now calculate midpoint of BC. 8 plus 4, 12 by 2, that is 6. 6 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 3. So this is the answer actually. If you check with the options, option B holds good. Next question. If C of 4, K is a point on the line joining A of 1, 3 and B of 5, 5, then the ratio in which C divides AB. So if you consider a line AB like this, A and B, C is the point of section. Coordinates of C are given, that is 4, K. Coordinates of A given, that is 1, 3. B also given, that is 5, 5. 5, 5. Suppose the ratio is considered to be K is to 1 or M is to 1, whatever it is. Consider the ratio as K is to 1. Use section formula. Here x coordinate is known, no? So 4 is equal to, now it is mx2, m is k, so 5k plus nx1, that is 1, divided by k plus 1. K plus 1. No need to write y coordinate because we need k value. Only one unknown, so one equation is sufficient. So if we cross multiply, we'll get 4k plus 4 equal to 5k plus 1. If we simplify this, 5k minus 4k, that is k, equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So k is 3 now. The ratio we considered is k is to 1. So here it is 3 is to 1. Next question. The area of the triangle formed by 2, 5, minus 3, 4 and 7, 1. Seventh question. The area of the triangle formed by 2, 5, minus 3, 4 and 7, minus 1 in square units. So we'll use determinant method. Half into determinant value. Half into determinant value. 251 minus 3, 4, 1. 7 minus 1, 1. You have to calculate this. So half into 2 into, cancel the row and column. That is 4 plus 1, 5 will get. Minus 5 into, cancel the row and column where the 5 exists. Minus 3, minus 7, minus 10 letters. Plus 1 into, cancel the row and column where 1 exists. This first row entry. So 3 minus 28. 7 4s are 28. This is minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3. Minus 7 4s are 28. 3 minus 28, that is minus 25. If we simplify this, half into, this is 10, this is 50 minus 25. That is half into 60 minus 25. We'll get 35 by 2. If you check with the options, answer option B holds good. 35 by 2. Next. If the points 7, k, minus 2, 3, minus 1, minus 5 are collinear, then k is. Here we are using collinear concept. We can use area of the triangle also. We can use slope also. So if we use slope concept, when the 3 points are collinear, slope of AB, slope of BC and slope of AC are equal. So I'll consider slope of first 2 points. So when the 2 points are given, to get the slope, formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is 3 minus k, y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus k, divided by x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 7. On the other side, I'll consider second and third point. Again get the slope, that is y2 minus y1, minus 5 minus 3, minus 8, divided by minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. So if you simplify this, 3 minus k, this is minus 9, this is minus 8. So 3 minus k equal to 72, minus k equal to 72 minus 3, that is 69. So what is k? K is minus 69. K is minus 69. So option D holds good. Option D holds good. Next question. The locus of the point which is equidistant from 1, 2 and 4, 7 is. Now we'll consider the locus of the point. That point considered to be now x, P of x, y. According to the statement, it is equidistant from 1, 2 and 4, 7. So it is PA equal to PB, or you can consider this as PA square equal to PB square. Use distance formula. X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to, on the right side, x minus 4 the whole square plus y minus 7 the whole square. Simplify this. X square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. On the right side it is x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square plus 49 minus 14y. Simplify this. So combine x together, combine y together and combine the constants. After simplification, we'll get the answer. 3x plus 5y minus 30 equal to 0. Three x plus 5y minus 30 equal to 0. That is option A. Option A. Next question. The equation of the lines parallel to x-axis at a distance 2 units from it. Equation of the line parallel to x-axis means it starts like this, y equal to. At a distance 2 units from it, it is not mentioned whether it is on the right or left. Means above or below, like that. So you can consider both the values. 2 units above means y equal to 2. 2 units below the x-axis means y equal to minus 2. So if we rearrange the equation, it will be y minus 2 equal to 0 and y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so the answer option is D. Option D holds good. Next question. The angle between y equal to x root 3 plus 4 and root 3y equal to x plus 7 is. So this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. You can write the slope directly. M1 is equal to root 3. For the second line, if we rearrange this, y is equal to 1 by root 3 into x plus 7 by root 3. Again, m value, that is 1 by root 3. That is m2 now. So 1 by root 3. Then use the formula tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. If you multiply, root 3 get cancelled. So 1 remains, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Simplify this and check with the option. We'll get the answer theta equal to 45 degree, because here we'll get 1. Tan theta is 1. Which value of tan is 1? 45 degree. So we'll get 45 degree. That is first option. Next. The value for which x minus 6y plus a equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, and x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 are concurrent. Concurrent means all the three lines are passing through the same point. So first we have to calculate the point of intersection of two lines. Then we'll substitute that point in the third line. That must be satisfied because it is point of concurrency. So while choosing two lines, to simplify means to get the point of intersection, consider those equations which do not contain A. So 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Second one, x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. If you simplify this is 2x, 4 2 is 8y plus 2 equal to 0. Subtract 3y minus 8y minus 5y, 4 minus 2, that is 2, plus 2 equal to 0. So y is equal to 2 by 5. Substitute that value and get the value of x. So x plus 4 times 2 by 5, that is 8 by 5 plus 1 equal to 0. So this is x is equal to, simplify, 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 by 5. So that is minus 13 by 5. So this is the point of intersection, that is minus 13 by 5 and 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Okay. Substitute this point in this equation which contains A. Substitute x and y value and simplify. We'll get the value of A now. Value of A is 5. Value of A is 5. Next one. The distance between 3, 4 and A, 2 is 2 root 2. Then A is. So use distance formula. 3 minus A the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square, that is 2 square, that is 4, equal to 2 root 2. If you take under root of this value, that will be 2 root 2. If you don't take that root, then it will be 3 minus A the whole square plus 4 equal to 4 2 is 8. Simplify this. 3 minus A the whole square equal to 4. 3 minus A is equal to plus or minus 2. Root 4, that is plus or minus 2. So minus A is equal to 2 minus 3. Minus A is equal to minus 2 minus 3. So this 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So from this we'll get A value 1. Next here minus A is minus 5. A is 5. So 1 or 5. 1 or 5. So option A holds good. Next question. If P of 1, 2, Q of 4, 6, R of 5, 7, S of A, B are the vertices of a parallelogram PQRS, then value of A and B we have to calculate. If we draw the parallelogram PQRS, we know that opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal and parallel. So we'll consider lengths equal now. So length of PQ must be equal to length of SR and length of PS must be equal to length of RQ. So here the values of A and B are given. You can use trial and error method and substitute these values in S. Substitute the values in S. Then use distance formula and check with the value. Check with the value. So we need PQ value first. So get PQ using distance formula. 4 minus 1, 3, 3 the square, 9. Plus 6 minus 2, 4, 4 the square, 16. So if you consider root value, that will be 5, right? So distance PQ is 5. So if you use the same result here, means distance of SR, that should be 5. So replace A and B value from the option. So if you replace A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, the equation will be satisfied. If you replace A equal to 2 and B equal to 3, then we'll get the correct answer. Means opposite sides are equal. Next, the equation of the line passing through 3 minus 4 and perpendicular to the line joining minus 2, 6 and 5, 9 is. So according to the statement, you have to form or you have to find the equation of the line passing through 3 minus 4 and perpendicular to the line joining these two. So first write the slope of line joining these two. Slope of line joining these two, that is 9 minus 6, that is 3, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, 5 plus 2, that is 7. So this is the slope of the given line actually. So slope of the line which is perpendicular to this is, I'll mark it as m, that is negative reciprocal of this, that is minus 7 by 3. And line is passing through 3 minus 4. Line is passing through 3 minus 4. So use the formula, slope point formula, y minus y naught equal to m times x minus x naught. That is y plus 4 is equal to m times, m is now minus 7 by 3 into x minus 3. Simplify this, 3y, 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus 7x, 7 3s are 21. So answer option is, shift this and simplify. We'll get the answer 7x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. Check back with this. If we shift this, this becomes 7x plus 3y, 7x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. 7x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Next. The lines 4x minus 7y equal to 2 and 7x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 are, the conditions are given, parallel but not coincident. Coincident. Third one, perpendicular but not passing through the origin. Perpendicular at the origin. Remember, when a line or any curve passes through the origin, its constant part will be 0. Constant part means x coefficient will be there, y coefficient will be there, but c won't be there. If you consider general form of the straight line, okay? Now, get the slope of the first line. If you have a straight line like this, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then slope is minus a by b. Slope is minus a by b. So the first line, the slope is minus a by b means 4 by 7. For the second line, slope is minus a by b, that is minus 7 by 4. If we consider the product of these two, we'll get minus 1. When product of the slopes is minus 1, the conclusion is given lines are perpendicular to each other. So here the lines are perpendicular to each other. One more thing. It is passing through the, not passing through the origin because constant is there, right? Here constant is 2, here constant is minus 5, right? So it is perpendicular, not passing through the origin. Perpendicular, not passing through the origin. Next question. Area of the triangle formed by the line 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. Say, if we consider x-axis, origin and y-axis like this, consider the given line 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Now, if we have a general form of the line like this, 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, we can get the x-intercept, that is minus c by a, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. So this is x-intercept value, and y-intercept minus c by b, that is 6 by 3, that is 2. So this is 2. So this is right angle triangle. Area will be half into base into height, half into 3 into 2. That is how much? 3 square units. 3 square units, right? So if you check with the option B holds good. Next question. The area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are 1, 1, 3, 4, 5 minus 2 and 4 minus 7. Here we'll use the formula half into x1 minus x2. Sorry, x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4. Here y1 minus y3, y2 minus y4. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4 and y4. So this is half into determinant value. Substitute everything now. x1 minus x3, 1 minus 5 minus 4, x2 minus x4, 3 minus 4 minus 1 divided by y1 minus y3, 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2, that is 3, y2 minus y4, 4 plus 7, 11. Simplify this, half into determinant value, minus 44 plus 3. That is, actually this is area. Even if we get the negative value, you have to take the modulus of that. It will be 41 by 2 square units. 41 by 2 square units. Option A holds good. Next question. The foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 3 minus 4 on the line 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 3 minus 4. I'll mark the point 3 minus 4 like this. A line is given, a perpendicular is drawn. You have to calculate this point now. So equation of the line is given, that is 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So slope of this is minus a by b minus 2 by 3. So slope of this line is negative reciprocal of this, that is 3 by 2. So equation of this line is y plus 4 equal to 3 by 2 into x minus 3. Simplify this. 2y, 4 2s are 8 equal to 3x, 3 3s are 9. So equation is 3x minus 2y minus 9 minus 8 minus 17 equal to 0. This is equation of this line. We need the point of intersection. So get the point of intersection of these two. So simplify this using elimination method. 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Simplify this using elimination method. We'll get the answer. X value 1 by 13 and y value 5 by 13. X value 1 by 13 and y value 5 by 13. Any method can be used, but I'll use elimination method. Next one, the extremities of a diagonal of a parallelogram are 3 minus 4 and minus 6, 5. If the third vertex is minus 2, 1, then the fourth vertex is extremities of the diagonal of the parallelogram. So I'll mark the points A, B, C and D. This is 3 minus 4. Another end of the diagonal is minus 6, 5. And third vertex is minus 2, 1. We have to calculate fourth vertex. So these are the diagonals. This will be the midpoint. Diagonals bisect each other, but length of the diagonal is not equal because it is parallelogram, right? You can use options by trial and error method. First calculate midpoint of AC, then use that point, same concept, midpoint of BD. So the fourth vertex will be minus 1, 0. First you have to calculate midpoint of AC. Use that midpoint to calculate coordinates of D. Same midpoint concept only. X1 plus X2 divide by 2. Y1 plus Y2 divide by 2. So we'll get the answer minus 1, 0. Option B. Next question. The angle between 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Angle between the lines. So first get the slope. Slope of the first line. Formula minus a by b minus 2 by 3. Slope of the second line. Use the same formula minus a by b, that is minus 1. M2, that is minus 1. So tan theta equal to modulus of M2 minus M1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 plus M1, M2, product of these two, that is 2 by 3. Simplify this, we'll get minus 2 plus 3, that is 1, 3 minus 2. Here 3 plus 2, that is 5. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 5. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 5. Tan inverse of 1 by 5. Okay, here that 1 by 5 is missing. So tan inverse of 1 by 5. Option C. Next question. The distance between the parallel lines y equal to 2x plus 7 and y is equal to 2x plus 5 is, okay, we'll recall the formula. Distance between the parallel lines D is equal to C1 minus C2 or C2 minus C1, whatever it is, C2 minus C1 divided by root of 1 plus m square or root of a square plus b square. If you know the value of a and b, means x and y coefficient, then you can use that. If you know the slope, then you can use root of 1 plus m square. Okay. So that is, now C value, one is 7, other one is 5. 7 minus 5 will get 2 divided by root of. Here y is equal to mx plus c. Slope is 2. Here also slope is 2. Slope equal because they are parallel, right? So 1 plus m square, 1 plus 2 square, that is 4. So it will be 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. Option C holds good. Option C holds good. Next question. A line through the point A of 3, 4 is such that its intercepts between axes bisects at A. Its equation is, line passing through the point 3, 4 is such that its intercepts between the axes is bisected at A. So this will be the midpoint actually. Then equation of the line is, this will be, if this is the midpoint, this is x-intercept value, anyhow its y coordinate 0. So this is 6, 0. This is 0, 8. So use intercept form of the line, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Equal to 1. So simplify using by taking LCM actually 24. So we'll get 3x. Sorry, this is 4x plus 3y equal to 24. 4x plus 3y equal to 24. If you check with the option D holds good. Option D holds good. Next question. The coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 3, 4 on the line 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. This concept is considered already. Only the thing is the coordinates are changing. So answer option is 9 by 5 and 17 by 5. You can use the same method what I did earlier. Same concept it is. Coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point to the line. Next one. Question number 25. The reflection of the point 6, 8 in the line x equal to y is, actually, suppose if we consider the reflection as x, y, the given line is this, x minus y equal to 0, x equal to y or y equal to x, whatever it is, the line passing through the origin actually. So suppose this is 6, 8, this will be the reflection. It is in the first quadrant only. You can use trial and error method also. So answer D, that is 8, 6 holds good. Because as this is a reflection, distance between, suppose if you mark this as C, this as A, this as B, AC and BC distance must be equal. This is the midpoint and it is perpendicular to this actually. Okay. So 8, 6 holds good. Next question. If the line 4x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus y plus 5 equal to 0 and kx plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0 are concurrent, then k is. Here also we'll consider two lines, 4x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. We'll simplify this using elimination method and substitute the same point in the third equation to get the value of k. So this is 4x minus 4y, 4 5s are 20 equal to 0. Simplify this. If we subtract x vanish, 3y plus 4y, 7y, minus 1 minus 20 minus 21 equal to 0. So 7y is 21, y is equal to 3. Now substitute in any one of the equation. We'll substitute here y equal to 3. So x minus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. So x plus 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, x plus 2 is 0, x is equal to minus 2. So we got x value minus 2, y value 3. Substitute this point in the equation which contains k and simplify. That is kx minus 2k now plus 5y, 5 3s are 15 minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 2k plus 12 equal to 0. Minus 2k is minus 12. K is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. So option C holds good. Option C holds good. Next question. The number of lines that are parallel to 2x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0 and have an intercept 10 between the coordinate axis is 2. There exist only 2 lines which satisfy this condition. Next one, the equation of the line making intercept 3 units on y-axis and inclined at 45 degree to the x-axis. Intercept is 3 units. So that is y-intercept, that is 3. Making angle 45 degree with the positive x-axis. So m value, that is tan 45. What is tan 45? That is 1. So slope is 1 now. So equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. M is 1 now. So x plus c. C is 3. So it is y is equal to x plus 3. So option B holds good. Option B holds good. Next, the line x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 3y equal to 6 meet in the common point. This is easy actually. You have to simplify 2 equations. According to the statement, meet at a point means the point of concurrency is to be calculated. So it is enough if we simplify 2 equations. So we'll consider x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Another one, x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So we'll get 2x minus 6 equal to 0. 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. Back substitute. 3 minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So minus y, 3 minus 2, it is 1. So y is minus 1, y is 1. 3, 1. Option C holds good. 3, 1. Next one. If the point 7, k, minus 2, 3, and minus 1, minus 5 are collinear, then k is. So now we are using slope concept. When the lines are collinear, slopes must be equal. So we'll get y2 minus y1, slope of these two, that is 3 minus k divided by x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 7 minus 9 equal to slope of BC now. Again y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 divided by x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. So 3 minus k is 72 minus k is 69. K is equal to minus 69. K is equal to minus 69. So if we check with the option D holds good. By this, the class winds up. Thank you.